CreativePod 02. We're introducing a revolutionary new way for digital artists to interact with their machines. The O2 allows artists to free their left hand from endless numbers of cumbersome, unintuitive keyboard shortcuts and replaces them with a single, easy-to-use device. The strength of the O2 is in its simplicity. Its upright, conical design eliminates complex keys and switches, allowing the user to execute a myriad of tasks with small, deliberate actions. What makes this possible is the two-tiered ring design of the O2. These two rings move both radially and laterally, allowing them to function simultaneously as dials, joysticks, and switches. By linking these three functions with on-screen functions, it allows users to take full control of and switch seamlessly between all of their digital tools. Additionally, O2 allows for users to individualize inputs for different applications with the ability to save each setup. Switching input configurations across applications is quick and seamless.
Bloomengine is a smart indoor planter that brings the sprouting and beautiful blooming moments of plants to you anytime and anywhere. You can feel and record the plant journey in real time with Bloomengine. We offer the new concept of indoor green life with your lovely plants, especially small flowers. Bloomengine creates a better environment for plants indoors. All you have to do is fill the compressed soil, then place the seed on top of it. Our soil provides suitable conditions with liquid fertilizers. Then add water and turn the power on. With our watering system, you don't have to worry about it when you pack for a long trip. Through our app, you can set a specific setting for the water pump. The internal water pump circulates the water to make sure it stays fresh. Bloomengine's LED technology provides the perfect amount of light for your plants. You can also easily switch the LED light on and off using the app. And our microventilation fan supports the growth of flowers. It supports photosynthesis and encourages the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Bloomengine also will notify you if plants need your help. You can even name your plants as you keep caring for them. Children also can monitor and feel the growth of plants in real time with the built-in full HD camera. You can make time-lapse videos for unbelievable moments. Watch them sprout and bloom in a way you've never experienced before. Children will be fascinated by how they experience the blooming of their flowers. Present the most memorable of gifts to your family or loved ones. You can grow various plants that are meaningful to them and enjoy beautiful flowers together for 365 days in Bloomengine. Also, Bloomengine makes interior areas more special: living room, kitchen, bedroom, and even office. The RGB mood light makes your space more special at night. Step into the planting journey with Bloomengine to experience the whole cycle of planting seeds, growing, and blooming the flower.
Our lives are so busy. We have so much to do, just taking care of ourselves, where we live, our families and friends. So I think something that automatically could set it up and help us would be an excellent addition to our lives.
We're confident you will help your friends, family, and loved ones seize the beautiful memories which Bloomengine presents. Thanks for supporting our journey. Visit the Kickstarter campaign page.
"3D printing is amazing. We use it to get innovative, bring our designs into real-life objects. However, most 3D printers may not live up to your expectations, cost you a lot of time and money. Until now. Introducing the Snapmaker 3D printer. It makes all the things you do with your printer more reliable, enjoyable, and affordable. A full metal body and industrial outlook highlight its premium design. Along with the metal body, all major components are CNC machined from aluminum alloys to boost the precision and capacity. Then they go through the anodize process to obtain a protective oxide layer. The all-metal designed Snapmaker focuses on every detail to consistently deliver the very best result. Snapmaker also features an innovative modular design, giving you an easy setup of 10 parts in only 10 minutes, which is the best ever on a 3D printer. It comes with easy-to-use software. Simply drag and drop a model into it and click Start. You do the design and let the Snapmaker do the rest. It's hassle-free from start to finish. High-performance Snapmaker lets you tinker and explore in unique and exciting ways, giving you the most enjoyable experience all the time. Now, there's no need to focus on a fixed screen. You can check and control all settings using its movable and intuitive touchscreen in your hand. Snapmaker also features expanded options of laser engraving and CNC carving. With interchangeable heads, Snapmaker can be easily transformed into a laser engraver that sparks your creativity. And CNC carving machine that lets your imaginations run wild. Snapmaker is versatile, inspiring you to create in more ways. We're very excited about what we've built so far and want to invite you to enjoy the creative life with us. Therefore, the Snapmaker 3D printer is at an amazing price of only $299. Now, we need your support to bring Snapmaker to life. Back us on Kickstarter today.
Mobile phones. Mobile phones are revolutionary. They've changed and shaped the life of a modern man like nothing else. Still, little does an average person know what's inside this magical device. Oh hi, my name's Albert, I'm 20, and a year and a half ago I launched a Kickstarter campaign for MAKERbuino, an educational gaming device. Thanks to your amazing help, we've produced thousands of MAKERbuinos and turned our passion and hobbies into something more. After collecting feedback from hundreds of MAKERbuino supporters, we've come up with something completely new. Meet MAKERphone! MAKERphone is a fully functional mobile phone. You can make calls, text your mom, or even play Nickelback. Look at this MAKERphone! It's a DIY mobile phone! It even runs apps and plays games. But the main point is that it comes in a box full of electronic components. Kind of like IKEA furniture, just a bit more fun. You sit down, follow the guides and tutorials on our webpage, you learn about resistors, chips, and computers. You get to code cool games and apps in Arduino, Python, or Scratch and share them with the community, as well as download creations others have made. At the end of the day, you realize that you built your very own mobile phone. You've become a creator. Being a creator means making something with your own hands. And thanks to that, you've learned a new type of skill. A skill that's going to stick with you for the rest of your life. It's a remarkable age that we're living in. With every information you think of a few taps away, electronics have never been more accessible and fun. Obviously, MAKERphone is not as sophisticated nor as smart as your smartphone, but that's not the point of this device. With MAKERphone, we want to take education to a new level. We want to turn consumers into creators and show people that every electronic device that surrounds you, like your mobile phone or a computer, doesn't have to be built by robots or lizard people from Silicon Valley. We want to show you that they were made by people, real people, just like you, and that you can make easily something like that yourself. We worked hard on developing MAKERphone's hardware and software, sourcing components, and preparing a production plan for a year now. But most importantly, we assembled a team of talented and hard-working young people that are going to make this happen. We need your help to fine-tune it, create educational material and tutorials, and mass-produce the device. And we think that together we can make something really significant for current and future generations. We can turn consumers into creators.